Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fidelity HSA account. First, let's explore the fantastic benefits of a health savings account. It's a triple tax-advantaged account, meaning your contributions are tax-deductible, your investments grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. We'll guide you through the simple steps to open your Fidelity HSA and ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, which generally requires enrollment in a high-deductible health plan. Now let's talk about funding your HSA. You can easily set up recurring contributions directly from your paycheck, making saving effortless. Alternatively, you can make one-time contributions whenever it suits you. It's important to be aware of the annual contribution limits, which are set by the IRS. For individuals, this is typically around $4,050, and for families, it's about $8,100, with an additional $1,000 catch-up contribution for those 55 and older. One of the most powerful features of a Fidelity HSA is the ability to invest your funds. Once your cash balance reaches a certain threshold, often around $2,000, you can begin investing. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, from mutual funds to exchange-traded funds. Selecting investments that match your personal risk tolerance can help your savings grow significantly over time, all while enjoying those incredible tax-free growth benefits. Finally, let's discuss how to use your HSA for healthcare expenses. You can use your funds to pay for a wide array of qualified medical costs, including doctor visits, prescriptions, dental care, and vision care, all completely tax-free. Remember to keep meticulous records of all your healthcare receipts. This allows you to reimburse yourself at any point in the future, even years later, for expenses you paid out of pocket, maximizing your tax-free growth potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.